Hi friends, welcome back to Reverence Meditation Studio. This is the part 2 of anxiety, depression and panic attack session. So welcome back. In the last session, we spoke about the three major solutions for anxiety related issues, and those were meditation, simple yoga techniques and pranayama, breathing techniques. So those will be the primary solutions, and that will stay primary because that has the power to heal you from within. Now in this part 2, I have 12 different secondary sources or secondary solutions which can supplement the primary ones, because I have had these issues for 6-7 years, and we get frustrated sometimes meditating, we get frustrated doing yoga, and if we supplement with the secondary solutions which are bit relaxing, which are bit easy, which will change your mood a little bit, and you would be on the path to fix yourself. So see, if we are facing anxiety disorders and panic attacks for longer time, we get frustrated and we come to the dead end. So these secondary solutions are like just to open the new door of of an opportunity to fix yourself and go to the next level, the next stage. So we will start one by one. These are my personal experiences. There could be many more, but I will cover the 12 which I implemented, I practiced and I conquered the anxiety issue. So we'll start with the first one. The first one is important regarding to the brain balancing. So in anxiety or panic attack, it is very important that your left and right brain is balanced. If the system is balanced, your nervous system is balanced, and with that the disorders, they ease a little bit. So the first one is left and right brain balancing exercises. So you could find out many techniques, those are physical techniques. You can find it on YouTube. I will try to put couple of links. So what happens is, those techniques will try to balance out your the left and right side of the brain, which will balance your nervous system. As I mentioned in the last video, the left is your analytical brain and right is your creative brain. And in anxiety disorders, mostly the left is dominant, powerful, but if with this balancing techniques, what will happen is the balance will shift. You will shift to the right brain, and slowly both brain activities will be balanced. So there is a science behind it. Let's try to use it. Very simple techniques. This is number one. The second one, this is not exactly a technique, but this is a solution. Find a life coach. What does it mean? So when I was in California and when I was very miserable, I found out a life coach who was a yogi as well. So if you find out a life coach, talk to him and have few counseling sessions. They have in-depth knowledge about psychosomatic issues and they have various techniques. So my second solution is, find out a life coach who will give you various techniques, and he will motivate you, he will keep you on track. So whenever you need him, you can call him, take an appointment, so you will be in touch with him. So this is the second solution. I would say find out a guru. Like guru is who you can look up to, and like Sri Ravi Shankar from Art of Living, Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev from Isha Foundation. There are many more organizations. So find a group, find a guru, find a life coach and be in positive vibrations. The third solution which helped me a lot is very simple solution, is hiking. I used to go in the nature, I used to go on lot of trails, and mostly I used to go alone. Now we all hike. You will say, what is this solution? I mean, we already know. But if you are little more mindful towards the nature, if you observe the greenery with the present moment, green color is a very soothing color for your nervous system, for your brain. And you might be hiking earlier, but this time if you be more mindful, observe the nature, and be in the present moment, sing in your mind, and walking, hiking with a brisk pace will definitely increase the blood circulation. It will start triggering the happy hormones in your brains, and which will be a perfect simple secondary solution for anxiety. So the fourth solution is singing. It might seem very simple, but yet it is profound and effective. So when I say singing, it is not singing movie songs or pop songs, not those. Because if the song has lyrics, it will have the emotions and it will still hit your left brain. We should sing such songs which do not have the profound meaning or lyrics in it. If you go to Art of Living channel, they have nice bhajans. Those are very helpful, and the words in those bhajans are so powerful, they will create a sound energy inside your body and mind, and which will also help your toning the nervous system, because those are kind of mantra, all Sanskrit words, and those sounds if you continuously repeat in terms of song, it will be easy also. We don't have to find a meaning, but those will have a profound effect on toning your nervous system and balancing your right brain. So singing is a right brain activity. It is an art. So let's try to explore that option as well. The fifth one is dancing. Now again, like singing, this dancing is a little bit different, So what I would do is, you close the door from inside, put on the headphone and play a song which doesn't have heavy metal or lyrics. The music should be like instrumental music. The flute is best, the guitar is best, or any string instrument, and just instrumental music. And what you need to do is, you close your eyes, come back to the present moment, let go everything. Don't worry if somebody is watching. Anyway, the door is closed, nobody is watching, and you have to completely let go and be in the music and start moving and dancing slowly, softly with the music, and eventually you become a music. It's become a meditation, so you go in a meditation sort of mode. So this is what the dancing I am talking about. I attended some Art of Living sessions, where they use this technique. So just, slowly, softly go with the music and dance and find your, meditative moves, and just get totally engaged and involved, deeply involved into that. Number 6, coloring books. Again, very simple, but again very profound. So all these arts will take you on the right side of your brain, so you would get lot of books in the stores. They will have a design pattern, and you can use the color pencils. Those patterns will be very much detailed, and sometimes you might need couple of days to complete one page. But what happens is, while you are doing this activity, you come to the present moment, you leave the anxiety, and then your breathing patterns change. So you are totally in that activity, and art is actually taking you to the childhood, taking you to the happy moments. So coloring, not necessarily coloring book, you can draw also. You can draw the pictures like you used to do when you were a child. So those things are what those are doing is, they are actually creating new neural pathways, or maybe the pathways they are asleep for so many years. or we are rekindling the charm, which we had in the childhood. So these pathways, they have not been used for so long, they are sleeping. So with these activities, they are reborn, they are taking rebirth, and all these happy moments, all these memories, they are coming back, and those are balancing your system. So draw, color, and get back into the normal life. The seventh one is pretty interesting. You're gonna like it. It's steam bath. So steam bath, you can go to any gym and have it, or I have a special video, how to have a steam bath at your home. You can buy that online. I have details on that. But steam bath, what does it do is, basically with that sweating, you are releasing all the toxins from the body. We have a lot of pores on our skin, they will get opened up, so the oxygen and the blood circulation, that will increase, toxins are getting released, and you will feel good. See, in these disorders, the main thing is you have to feel good, and feeling good will change the chemistry, will change the chemicals inside the body, and it will essentially help you. Steam bath, very good. The solution number 8 is acupressure. There is acupuncture as well, but I will talk about acupressure. So it is a very ancient Chinese technique, and if you find a right specialist, it will help you. Even there is a acupressure healthcare system which you can buy at home. I have again a dedicated 3 minutes video for that. You will have a link. You can buy it and use it in your home. It will also enhance your oxygen and blood circulation in the body, and it also lowers down the cortisol, which is the stress chemical gets released in the anxiety related problems. So acupressure, definitely we should try as a secondary solution. It might come handy. Number 9 is mantra chanting. So there are so many mantras in Vedic sciences. These mantras are very powerful sounds. If you chant it for 15 to 20 minutes, those will create a powerful energy, a prana inside your body and your mind, and those mantras will also tone your nervous system, bring down your anxiety, and it will set your breathing pattern. So the breath, the body, and the mind, all three things will come in sync, and you will be in the present moment with the mantra. I will have very soon lot of mantras meditation on my channel. So find out the mantras from the YouTube, take the one which works for you. We don't have to understand what is the meaning behind it, just chant it, and you will eventually become that mantra even if you stop chanting it, and that will give you a lot of healing power. Solution number 10, be in knowledge. When you have anxiety, when you have panic attack, it's very easy to derail, get frustrated, and get into a suicidal mode. We think there is a darkness everywhere, but if you are in the knowledge will save you. And the knowledge, we have so many profound series. For example, Guruji Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, he has commentary on Ashtavakra Gita. This is the knowledge about your own self, and for me, just watching that knowledge over and over and over again, it gave me a lot of strength from the core, and it gave me a lot of hope when the time was tough. So be in knowledge. I will again have lot of things in my description, what sort of books help me. There are YouTube channels of these profound gurus. They talk on these topics very frequently. So be in the knowledge. Ashtavakra Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Vasishtha, Advaita Vedanta. There is a lot of knowledge which talks about the mind and psychology, and once we understand this human system and the root cause, it is very easy to come out, because these problems are temporary, guys. Those are not going to be forever. Even though those are chronic, maybe somebody is facing for 10 years, somebody is facing for 5 years, but still with the right knowledge, with the right technique, we will get out of this. Have that confidence, because this is all temporary. So be in knowledge, guys. Number 11 is service. In Sanskrit we say seva. When you do service, we came out of this mode like, what's in it for me? Instead we can say, what can I do for you? And see, when you have that feeling or intention, what can I do it for you? Automatically the strength comes from within. There is a shift, in your mindset, in your energy. So do the seva. Seva meaning, you go to some non-profit organization and check it out, what can you do for the society, go to the schools and do the teaching. There are a lot of options, what can you do, without having any intention of the benefit and the fruits of that particular activity. So when we do that seva, when we are in celebration, our mind is in totally different state, and doing it over and over and over and over again, we will automatically be in that state for longer period of time. The anxiety will be less and the celebration will be more. It is going to happen, but we have to do it. We have to tell your mind that that's fine, you are reluctant, you don't want to do it, you are depressed, no issues, but use your intellect. Intellect has more power on your mind, and go and celebrate, do seva. Very good solution. And the last solution in my video, this is Brahma Astra. If nothing works, this has to work. It is called as surrender. See, I told you 11 solutions. There are a lot of videos. They will again talk about a lot of solutions, but sometimes nothing works. We feel the sky is falling, nothing is working. So surrender. What you do is, write down whatever you feel at that moment, whatever your problems are, write down everything on a paper, just don't be shy, write everything, fold it, and just surrender wherever your belief is. It could be a guru, it could be some life coach, it could be a God, anything where you believe in, where you think there is a divine power. Just surrender those problems and just say, I am not able to take it now, I am just surrendering to the higher self, to the higher power, to the infinite intelligence. So please take care of me now. I am not in position to come out. So that surrendering, in that state, lot of things will unfold. You won't believe, but this is true. This has been taught in various courses at various places. It has a lot of power. There is a science behind it. Just surrender it. No other way. Just surrender it. Because see, this is temporary, but the mind projects in a such a way, the imagination of mind is, this will be forever. The mind will give you the distorted information when you are in anxiety. It is imagining whatever it wants to. It doesn't believe it is temporary. It doesn't believe there is a solution. But surrendering, letting go, will transcend the mind. You will go beyond the mind, and then there is a solution. Then the door will open, and I'm pretty sure when you surrender, you get the infinite power. Forget about this anxiety, any problem which you think that you have tried everything and that's it, you surrender. Surrender, my friends, and heal. So with this deep sense of gratitude and surrender, and trying primary and secondary solutions, being always on the path, enduring and increasing your stamina and enhancing your spiritual muscle, all those things will give you ways. You will not be in a position that you have lost the ground. So I wish all the best to everyone, and I hope one of the solution will work for you. There might be some other solution, but these are the practically implemented by me when I was going through all these things. So just try it out, and I hope all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you.